Russian winters are legendary fierce, icy, and breathtakingly beautiful. But did you know that Russian women have been mastering cold weather skincare for centuries using natural remedies? Today, we're diving into some of the most effective Russian beauty traditions to keep your skin healthy, hydrated, and radiant during the harshest winters. Section 1. Understanding Russian skincare philosophy. Russian beauty traditions are deeply rooted in nature. Instead of relying on chemical-laden products, Russians turn to time-tested natural remedies. The focus is on nourishing and protecting the skin, maintaining hydration, and boosting circulation. Let's explore these incredible methods. Section 2. Natural cleansing with honey and oats. First up, honey and oats, a classic Russian skincare staple. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin, while oats gently exfoliate and soothe irritation. To create a simple cleansing mask, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with ground oats and apply to your face for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water and feel the softness. Section 3. Herbal face steam for deep hydration. Russian women swear by herbal face steaming to open pores, remove toxins, and deeply hydrate the skin. Simply boil water, add chamomile, mint, or linden flowers, and let the steam work its magic. Do this once a week for a natural winter glow. Section 4. Russian birch water for hydration. Birch water, or Beresovaya voda, is a traditional Russian elixir loaded with minerals and antioxidants. Drinking it helps maintain hydration from the inside out, while applying it to your skin can reduce redness and dryness. Try replacing your toner with birch water for a refreshing boost. Section 5. Nourishing face masks with sour cream and berries. Cold weather can strip the skin of its natural oils, but Russian beauty remedies include rich, nourishing masks. A favorite is the sour cream and berry mask. Sour cream contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate, while berries like raspberries and cranberries provide antioxidants. Mix and apply for 15 minutes. Your skin will thank you. Section 6. Protective layer with natural oils. To seal in moisture and protect against harsh winds, natural oils like sea buckthorn, almond, and rosehip all are essential. These oils are rich in vitamins and fatty acids, keeping your skin supple even in sub-zero temperatures. Apply a few drops after your moisturizer for the best results. Section 7. Winter lip care with beeswax and hone. Chapped lips? No problem. Russian beauty experts use a homemade lip balm with beeswax, honey, and a bit of olive oil. This mixture locks in moisture and heals cracks naturally, perfect for wintertime. Section 8. Body care with Siberian baths. No Russian skincare routine is complete without the banya. This traditional steam bath improves circulation, detoxifies the skin, and enhances overall wellness. Using birch or oak twigs to exfoliate also stimulates blood flow, leaving your skin glowing. And there you have it, timeless Russian beauty secrets to protect and nourish your skin in the cold. Which remedy will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural beauty tips. Stay warm and stay beautiful.